Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us a lot grace and guidance so that we can participate in this competition in good health. Honorable judges, organizing committee, and all participants and audience that I'm proud of. Everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anastasia Talita Putri. My university is from Surabaya State University. On this extraordinary occasion, I feel very grateful and excited to be part of this inspiring online speech competition. Everyone, after seeing the importance of quality education, let's discuss further about the challenges and opportunities we face today to get to the generation Indonesian Golden to 2045. Today, I would like to convey important information that is the key to the progress of our nation. The title is Quality Education as a Strong Foundation Worth to Golden Generation to 2045. Why is the 2045 very important point for all of us? Ladies and gentlemen, the year to 2045 will be historic moment and of 100 years of Indonesian independence. The government has planned the Golden Indonesian to 2045 generation, which is a big goal for Indonesia to become developed, just highly educated, and globally competitive country. However, the question is, who will lead Indonesia to the Golden Indonesia to 2045 generation? The answer is today young generation. Those who are currently in elementary school, junior high school, and college are the ones who will lead this country in the future. And for that, quality education will be the foundation to take us to the Golden Indonesian to 2045 generation. Education is the key to the nation progress. We are quite aware that higher education is the way out of poverty, underdevelopment, and inequality. Developed countries such as Finland, Japan, and South Korea are proof that long-term investment in education will give birth to a superior, innovative generation. Unfortunately, the quality of education in Indonesia still face major challenges, namely the gap in access to education between urban and remote areas is still evident. The quality of education is not evenly distributed, and many teachers have not received educate training. Learning facilities in some areas are still very minimal, and there are even schools that still lack desks, chairs, and books. The literacy level of students in Indonesia based on the PISA survey is still relatively low compared to other countries. Ladies and gentlemen, a high quality education is not only about how we use technology, but also about how we prepare for an increasingly complex future. Adaptability, diligent learning, and developing soft skills such as collaboration, communication, and creativity and becoming increasingly important. The role of all parties in improving the quality of education is not the task of one party alone. It is a shared responsibility that requires collaboration between the government, educators, and parents and the community at large. The government is the policymaker, educate, and education personnel play an important role in the implementation of education in the field. Parents and families are the first learning environment for children, and the community in the business world can also participate, or for example by providing internship, training, or scholarship programs that give students real experience and enthusiasm to continue learning. Improving the quality of education will only success in all elements of the nation work together, support each other, and have a long-term commitment to continue learning and adapting to the times. We have opportunities and challenges here. Indonesia experiencing a demographic bonus, which is a very large number of people productive age. This is golden opportunity, but if not accompanied by good quality education, this bonus can turn into a demographic disaster, mass unemployment, economic inequality, and social conflict. Therefore, improving the quality of education is the only way to ensure that the demographic bonus turn into a development force and achieve the mass generation of Indonesian golden to 2045. Ladies and gentlemen, we may not know exactly what will happen into 2045, but one thing's certain, what we plan today will determine what we get in the future. If today we build a strong education, then 20 years from now we will see an independent, smart, and highly competitive Indonesia. That is the speech that I can convey. Hopefully, what I have said can arouse our awareness of the importance of building the quality of education for the future of the nation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.